Everybody wanna ride, but the windows tinted 15%, so you can't look inside. Baddest chick with the biggest booty, come and slide. I'm a grown man, I'ma tear it up from the side. I don't get tired.
Alright guys, so the Instagram rumors are true. Yes, I did trade my 2017 Camaro SS for 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, man. 392 Hemi. Let me just say, this car is different. And yeah, I'm gonna make a few videos on this car, but the first one I'm doing in this one today is just basically like a driving impression for you guys. The only drive I did already on this is the one where I drove it home, but it was late at night, it was dark. I didn't really get to feel out the car because I was just getting used to it. But it's the next day, man, and let's see how this goes. Let's go. This car, it's not a permanent trade. So for those of you who were panicking that I traded my Camaro for something else, this trade is only for me to do a review on this. Shout out to the owner of this car. The Instagram tag I will put on the screen. The person that owns this car, guys, he is part of my car club, which is Street Predators in the South Florida chapter. I will put the name on the screen and everything. Links will be in the description. But yeah, we basically did a trade so I can review this car, man. And let me just say, okay, the biggest difference I noticed right away, and you know, me coming from my Camaro, is that this car is much bigger. All right, so interior wise, of course, the outside, this car is much bigger. Just looking out the window, I feel like I can actually see now. You know, like I don't mean to be like extra with it, but like, I mean, of course I can see in my Camaro, but this, you feel like, you know, everything is a lot more open. All right, so as far as all the car rides, guys, this car is just freaking angry. Okay, it is angry all the time. It's like the car was like bullied in school or something, or its whole life, and he finally grew up, and the car is just like not taking shit from anybody. Now my Camaro, it's aggressive too, but this car is different. I thought I got noticed in my Camaro a lot, but it was dark and I could still see a lot of people like driving next to me and looking at their car and everything. The car does look really aggressive and scary and menacing, and I mean in a good way. God damn, boy. Yo, so far this was like the longest run I was able to do at full throttle. Okay, it's like so much traffic around, so I'm probably gonna take it real quick on the highway. Let me just say something about this car. I see why the hype is there around Dodge. Okay, everything from like the computer and all the stuff you can change, which I'll talk about in another video, to just the way the car drives and how people are looking at you on the road. It's way more attention than the Camaro, and all that just makes me feel like, bro, I feel like a boss driving this car. It's different. This car does not play, bro. I feel like I'm about to get pulled over in this car. Now, one thing I have to note is that the car is not on stock tires or stock rims, and the car ride's pretty comfortable. Like, I thought it would be bad, but it's probably has to do with maybe because the tires are so thick. Usually track in you know, these sports cars, the suspension's supposed to feel bumpy and rough, and it doesn't feel too bad. I can feel everything is tighter, of course, than versus eco mode, but regardless, in the track mode, it's not as bad. You almost can't even tell the difference if you weren't paying attention. All right, guys, so I'm finally taking her on the highway. Let's see how she feels and sounds, man. Oh my God, bro, like, you just feel this car wanting to go and go and go, and top end, you can definitely feel that it has a lot of horsepower. I don't know if it's just because this car is modified, but damn, this thing is just an absolute beast. Oh my God, boy. So far I've tried auto in this car. I've selected eco while on the auto, and I've selected track. I haven't tried sport or custom or anything else, and you know, I don't even have time to really go play with it yet, because like this video, I'm actually filming it for you guys while on my lunch break from work. So, you know, I'm sacrificing eating so I can make this video for you guys. So stay tuned for this full review of this 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Let's go.